I would never, ever, ever get my hair braided by Rama's Beauty and Braiding Salon in Harlem, 410 Malcolm X, I think it is. No, not doing it ever again. So I came in around 8 o'clock at night before I left home. I went to my local beauty salon supply store to buy my boho pieces. I typically just do black 1B. I'm a girly that's scared to like tricolor, but I decided to do it this time. So when I asked for my hair to be mixed with 430, I think it is, my colors, but I knew visually what I wanted, so I didn't like how orangey 30 was looking, so I just asked for 27. I think it's 27. So off the bat, the braider that they assigned me, she pretty much acted like she didn't understand what I was saying. So I made it clear to them what I wanted. I specifically wanted like blend with this color, and so the lady was explaining to the braider that's assigned to me the color that I wanted. So off the bat, I already realized that my braider, although her English was limited, which I'm Caribbean, so it doesn't matter to me whether or not you speak another language, but like she didn't specifically, because she didn't want to understand, she didn't want to mix the hair. Truthfully, I don't care whether or not they were speaking another language, because again, if you know me, like absolutely love languages, like specifically make it my languages. Not only learn languages, but my best friend is Haitian. I'm married to a St. Lucian, and I've been around like so many people in my life that actually speak different languages. So I literally know the language, understand. I may not speak it the best, but I understand it very well. While she's mixing the hair and separating the pieces or whatever, before she actually decided to separate the pieces, I think she was pretty much saying that like boho that I bought wasn't enough, and style that I showed them, it's a fuller style, so I would need to purchase more hair. Although I really didn't want to purchase the hair because I know it would have been a different kind of quality than the one I bought, I was just like, okay, open to it. It is what it is. I'm here already. Understand the style that I wanted. I'll do that. So they told me that it was $30 per bundle. So technically they don't split the bundles. So it was $60 for the pack for the bundles that they bought over to me. I agreed, and I was like, okay, fine. The braider that was assigned to me, she was like together the pieces of the hairs to the lady that came over who was helping her, that was like the hair and things like that, and also mixing the hair. And they kept like back and forth and just like about make sure that I kept asking, that I asked them for, which to them it didn't make any sense why I wanted my hair mixed with that color. The braider that was assigned to me, she started on my hair and what have you, and I think around maybe like 11 o'clock or whatever, another lady came, I guess also works the night shift as well. So she started to explain to the lady that type of style that I wanted, the colors that I wanted mixed, and again, sighing and just like irritation, and just pretty much was like that I wanted mixed, just pretty much saying it doesn't make any sense, and they have to put 4 bundles in my hair and I want it full and whatnot. So they were just was like pretty much saying like style is going to take too long, and how came with 2 more bundles added. Keep in mind, I never said anything about adding the 2 additional bundles. I came with a pack of 2 bundles already. They're the one who told me that I needed additional hair for the fullness. I would have never known that I needed additional hair if the lady didn't say, hey, you're gonna need more hair because the style you showed me was full. But yet again, they were the one complaining about how much in my hair. I'm not a braider. Why would I complain? Joined to do my hair with the initial braider, they were going back and forth and pretty like my hair, talking about how much bundles they had to add. So the lady that came second, she was just like, wow, see, I'm not adding 4 bundles to her hair. But of course they were speaking French. It's like a mixture of French and Creole, I don't know. And also they were speaking Swahili, as well as like, I'm familiar with languages, so I'm putting pieces together and I understand thoroughly what they were saying. So the second braider was like, oh, you're gonna see I'm not doing it. These people was talking about how I'm not sleeping, why am I not sleeping? Let's get the bundle to the side so I don't see. Talking all kind of crazy shit. Ask me or tell me that you don't have it. Don't just assume that I want something and just decide to put in my hair. But they felt like the lady was so wrong for saying that. Nonetheless, it took so much self-control for me to sit there. Again, keep in mind, I traveled about 3.5 hours away to get my hair braided, just to listen to the shit that these ladies was saying over my head, talking about me scrolling on TikTok, talking about, oh, and the price of the hair that I wanted. Just like a whole bunch of rude shit. And it's pissing me off because of Faith And just to see them go downstairs and pray and stuff like that, I'm like, yo, y'all praying and doing all of this crazy stuff and y'all talking crazy over people's head. First lady that started my hair, she was like, oh, you like your hair? Like, as if like cool, as if I'm not understanding what they're saying.
Now, let's really talk about what happened here, because this situation goes way deeper than hair. This client traveled over 3 hours to get her hair braided. She came prepared, respected the salon's pricing, bought extra hair when they recommended it, and clearly explained the look she wanted. But instead of professionalism, the stylist spent the appointment complaining about her, mocking her request, discussing her in multiple languages, and even planning to charge her for hair they admitted they never used. The craziest part, they assumed she didn't understand them. Meanwhile, she understood everything being said over her head the entire appointment. And honestly, this is why trust is so important in the beauty industry. As stylists, clients are literally trusting us with their appearance, their confidence, their time, and their money. The moment a client feels uncomfortable, disrespected, or manipulated, the experience is already ruined, no matter how cute the hairstyle looks. And another thing, customer service doesn't stop because you're tired, busy, or frustrated. If you work in a salon environment, professionalism has to stay consistent whether the client understands your language or not, because people always remember how you made them feel. Now, let's talk about what should have happened in a professional salon environment. First, never discuss clients negatively during service. Whether it's in English, French, Creole, Spanish, or any other language, professionalism still matters. Clients should never feel uncomfortable sitting in your chair. Second, and pricing should always be transparent. If additional hair or products are needed, clearly explain why it's needed, how much it costs, and exactly what's being used. Never add charges behind a client's back. Third, communication matters. If a client is requesting a color blend, fullness, or custom style, your job is to either professionally execute it or honestly explain limitations. But attitude, mocking clients, or creating tension during service is unacceptable. Fourth, salon culture matters. A professional salon should feel welcoming, respectful, and trustworthy. Clients should leave feeling beautiful, respected, appreciated, not emotionally drained or uncomfortable. Remember, your reputation as a stylist is built just as much on professionalism as it is on talent. If you're a stylist who wants to level up your professionalism, client experience, and salon standards, subscribe for more real salon education. And follow Stylist Factory as we produce the century's best hairstyles.